So, if you've relapsed, it can feel really defeating, especially if you've gone for a period of time, and especially if you've relapsed time and time again. What can start to happen is it can start to eat away at your spirit. You can start to lose trust in yourself and not even believe your word when you say you're going to do something. And that's a scary thing because then you feel like you're trapped. And when you're in that place, when you feel like you've just been totally defeated, that you don't have, you're not sure, your word is worthless because you've relapsed so many times that you don't trust yourself. When you're in that place and you can't even grasp upon the concept of I will, and that I'll try again, and I will succeed. I'm gonna make it happen. When you're in that place, when you can't even fathom thinking that it's possible, to that you could turn your life around, to don't focus on I will, or I will succeed and I will make it happen. Just simply focus on that it is possible. It's possible. Doesn't mean you will. It doesn't mean that you will not. Doesn't mean you will become sober. Doesn't mean you will relapse. It just means that it is possible. Because is it impossible? No, it's not impossible. Even if you failed 50 times, 100 times, you relapsed 100 times, you feel like most of your life you've wasted away, it is still possible to turn your life around. It's not impossible. As long as you're still breathing, then it is still possible. And so you might not be able to focus on, I will, or I can, or I must, or, I'm going to try again. Just simply focus on it's possible. And a lot of times, courage is just a quiet voice at the end of the night that is willing to say, let's try again tomorrow. It's possible. It's possible. That's it. It's possible. And what that gives you is hope. And with hope, that can give you energy to try again. Just simply to try again. And all you need is one time to succeed to completely turn your life around. So guys, just remember, no matter how many times you failed, it's possible that you can succeed and that you can create and get that life that you ultimately deserve, which is a happy life and a life of peace. All right, guys, have a great day.